Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Tuesday afternoon. We're recording this broadcast close to 4:30 in the afternoon. I'm looking out my window here in Newton. It's starting to snow lightly again. Needless to say, it's just been a crazy, frustrating storm here in Boston. I mean, as the commercial would say, where's the beef? I do think it's coming. I have some snowfall amounts here out in the Berkshires, anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5 feet of snow on the ground. From Worcester County up to the Monadnock region, the Berkshires, it is a severe winter storm, a whole different world out there. All right, lots to talk about, so let's do it. Let me find my maps here. Here we go. I know this is a very difficult map to read, but these wind barbs show you the wind direction and wind speed. The wind of the Cape is southwest, northeast in Boston, and north in Portland, Maine. There's a low center that's tucked to the east of Portland, and instead of moving northeast or east, it's moving southeast, and that could drag with it the heavy snow. Where you see 3 flakes, it's moderate snow. 2 flakes is light snow that they're having across all of northern New England into the Berkshires, with temperatures there slightly above freezing. Let me pull down another map here and do this for you and show you the latest satellite loop. And you'll be able to see that this storm has an eye to it in the Gulf of Maine. It is milling around. It's moving off to the northwest right now, but will start to pivot and come southwest. And my fear is, as that storm moves southwest tonight, the band of heavy snow is going to be moving into Boston and could accumulate quick in a hurry. We'll have to wait and see. Radar shows a whole swath of precipitation covering much of New England, still some rain along the immediate coast, and the Cape almost has an eye-like feature to the storm. They're not doing much of anything, but you'll start to rain again, and I even think on the Cape you're going to turn to snow, and you could get a few inches of snow before all said and done. Now, this is off the GFS map. I want to show you these 2 panels. One on the left is the 500 millibar low, which is just to the south of Nova Scotia at about 1 o'clock in the morning, intensifying. And then the other low at the surface, you'll see the red L, is located just east of Boston with very strong north and northwest winds. It could be snowing at a pretty good clip, say from about 7 o'clock tonight till about 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. As we put it into motion, you'll be able to see, is it going to show me? See all the dark blue that comes into Boston? Watch this a couple of more times and then it moves away. You see the dark blue, we get pounded with heavy snow for several hours, and then by early tomorrow morning, it's a done deal. Now, this is the snowfall map off the European. I know it's hard to see. I'm going to put on my glasses so I can read numbers for you. They say in the Merrimack Valley, total snow accumulation, 14 to 16.5 inches of snow. Boston, 9.2, 9 inches around coastal South Shore, about 15 inches of snow in the 495 belt. That's on top of what you have now, and another 16 inches out in northern Worcester County, southern New Hampshire. Over the Cape and the Islands, there could be another 2 to 6, or there could be 2 to 6 inches of snow. So let me do it like this, come back on camera, and tell you that for the balance of the Tuesday afternoon time zone, we're talking about occasional rain mixing with snow. Snow should pick up for afternoon drive. Temperature here at my house is 34.2. It should be going down another degree or 2. Then overnight, say from about 7 o'clock to maybe 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, it could snow hard to create plowable snow in and around the greater Boston area. So if you're out driving late tonight, please be careful. It should be done by early tomorrow morning, say 7, 8 o'clock. It's a done deal. Then the sun is out, and temperatures during the afternoon with a gusty wind because of the strong March sun could hit 45. And by Thursday, it's sun clouds. It'll be in the 50s. There could be some rain coming in for late Thursday and Thursday night. We'll see, and more storminess possible after that. Just by looking at the long-range weather maps, I would tell you that winter is not done yet. That's it, folks. We're doing the best we can here in the Weather Center, pulling my hair out of my head. Let's hope the forecast works. I'm Mark Rosenthal.